this topic is basically about the enclosed space and the human attitude, mental attitude, and uske liye we'll be talking to Captain Arun and also a doctor who has also done research in psychology. So we'll be just taking questions accordingly. Coming.
Hi, Amay.
Yeah. Good evening, Arun. Good evening, Captain Vijay.
Hi, Amay. How are you?
Good, good. How are you doing?
I'm doing good. Nice to have you on board.
Thank you. Thank you for having us on your talk today.
Oh, you're
Super.
most welcome. Let me get this guy.
Sure. Meanwhile, Amay,
Yes, Arun.
you can talk about psychology. I mean, if you want, what are you doing actually in psychology?
All right. So, just to introduce myself, I am Dr. Amey Parekh from Mumbai. So, I have done my dentistry in 2010 and then I did my post-graduation dentistry in 2013.
Okay.
But I had this, so I've been working as a dentist full time since then. But I had this interest in, understanding people, helping people since childhood. So in 2018, I decided to pursue, a second post-graduation counseling psychology, and I use art as a therapeutic tool. So that's how I got into this field as well. So with Arun, we've been doing a lot of work to help people understand the power of the mind, to understand how mental health is very important, and that's playing a big role in our day-to-day lives. So whether you consider your relationships, you consider your health, you consider your finances, whatever aspect of your life you consider, actually it comes down to how you think, how you behave, how you react. It comes down to how you're feeling. So I think there's a lot of things which are not spoken of, especially in our country. Mental health has not even been considered till the last 5 years. It was never discussed. I mean, as a child, we never even heard about the importance of how mind training is so important. In school, it's all about academics or, getting ranks. And then it's about money, just, काम करना है, पैसा कमाना है, life settle करना है. Everything just boils down to that. But आदमी के दिमाग में क्या चल रहा है, वो कोई बात ही नहीं करता है. No, we get stuck there. And
Yes.
it's actually playing a big role in our day-to-day lives. I mean, so Arun and I have been just our contact in the last 6 months, but we realize there's so many things in your industry also, in your field also. There is so many questions which have not even been discussed or spoken ever. How psychology is impacting even your field. So I think that's how even I'm here with Arun, and thanks to you that we're here. That's just a little start, but I think as we go on in the discussion, I'll introduce a little bit more.
Thank you.
So thank you for your introduction.
Thank you.
So we have Yash on board already. So we'll just start by introducing, one by one. So Yash, go ahead.
Yes, introduce yourself. Straight
Yash,
away.
introduce yourself. So I think उसका network
Yeah.
connect हो रहा है. All right. So I'm Captain Vijay, Master Mariner with Suntech. लोगों को पता ही होगा. So Arun, Captain Arun, your profile and your big biodata.
So, Vijay, as you
Arun,
know,
go ahead.
we've done our, so I'm Captain Arun Yadav, and we done our captain's exams together. In fact, before also chief mate exams together. So we know each other for quite some time. So I'm sailing with fleet management as of now.
Yeah,
I've
mate.
got command on last vessel. So most of the time on board, if we see कि हम लोग अपने अंदर ही रह रहे हैं. एक तो we don't have family there, है ना, and we have very few people. और उसमें भी अगर हमारी फ्रीक्वेंसी मैच नहीं होती है तो स्पेस जहाँ पे हम लोग अपने आप से बात कर रहे होते हैं. एंड नॉर्मल में भी आई थिंक वी लॉस्ट विजय. नो इज देयर. सो दैट्स हाउ आई गॉट क्यूरियोसिटी कि अपने आप को हम लोग कितना जानते हैं. Sailing, so I've done my cadetship from Shipping Corporation of India in 2006. Then onwards 2016, I cleared my master's exam. and then 16 onwards chief mate में sale करते करते 20 में I got promotion. So this is my sailing career. And all these while I've met so many people in our industry, like masters. When I was cadet, so we know कि हमें cadet हैं तो अभी सबसे lowest rank है, and then we have second mate, third mate, and सबके काम करने का अलग तरीका है. So being a junior आपको adopt करना है, ठीक है. Then we have ratings also. वो हर एक शिप में जाते हैं और ज़्यादा सीनियर्स होते हैं, अडॉप्ट करते हैं. और फिर भी एक चीज मैंने नोटिस किया कि अगर उन्हें कोई नहीं देख रहा होता है, इफ नोबडी इज वाचिंग देम, तो वो लोग अपने हिसाब से ही काम करते हैं. सेफ्टी, बिकॉज सिंस टॉपिक टुडे इज फॉर एनक्लोज स्पेस, आई एम टॉकिंग लिटिल बिट अबाउट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू कि हमारा जो सेफ्टी मैटर है वो उतना ही रहता है जब तक सीनियर्स देख रहे होते हैं. नहीं देखें तो गया, मतलब फिर हार्नेस निकाल दिया या कुछ भी. तो ये क्यों होता है? आई मीन हम लोग इतना ट्रेनिंग करते हैं, रिग्रेस ट्रेनिंग में जाते हैं, वी डू सो मच थिंग, बट स्टिल पीपल डोंट अंडरस्टैंड कि क्यों हमें सेफ्टी फॉलो करना चाहिए. और so there is something more than what we go through our under training. So that's how I've been working on myself, self development. I've gone through so much of training. As I mentioned in the bio, I've trained under Jack Canfield, and in Indian coach I've trained under Mr. Sunil Parikh, who himself is an IIT, and he left IIT. He did US में नौकरी किया, then everything, and then he settled down in India and training people कि भाई mind में बहुत power है and how we can use it. So अभी मैंने जो start किया कि so this is my basically background, and why I am doing this I'll talk to in a later stage. So that's my background basically.
All right. So Yash, we are. I mean, our audio and visual is clear, right?
Yes, sir. Can you hear me? Like, how do you?
I think Arun's having some.
I can hear you.
Okay, fine. Yeah, previously I was not, you were not audible to me, so I connected my earphone. I'll start with introducing myself. I am Cadet Yash Kurup, sponsored by Fleet Management. Currently, I was pursuing my course of DNS from IMI, Greater Noida. And today itself, I got my POP, passing out for it, and I'm all set to leave. I just couldn't leave it without attending this meeting. So
Yeah. I'm from Fleet, yes.
oh wow, sure, sir. It will be a privilege again. It's an honor to meet you.
All right, Vijay.
All right. So क्या है ना? See, this topic is like this human mindset and this attitude. जो you both guys are working. That will be dependent on various operations on board the ships. But today we'll just focus on the enclosed space. So lots of accidents and incidents have been happening on board the ships with respect to the enclosed space. And we have grown up. I mean, the lot of companies safety procedures have improved over a period of time. Lots of points and checks have been added. It's a dynamic process. They are continuously evolving and making it better every time. But still, there is a loss of life or some injury. It's happening still on board. So just want to know from a different perspective that what can be done that even after complying with all the checklist, permits, and doing all the physical check, gas check, and all that, still the accidents are taking place. So why and how? And and over this discussion, we'll see that what can we do to prevent such injuries and accidents.
Okay. So I'll little bit talk about Vijay. I'll talk about key mindset. We have laid down so many procedures. There is a safety management system full, wherein for every procedure, for everything we have checklist. But having said that, उसको follow करना चाहिए. अब follow करने के लिए तो you need actually, there is no science. No, आपको दिया है checklist, आप follow करो. But still it's happening कि checklist follow नहीं हो रही है या फिर उसमें थोड़े से complacent हो जा रहे हैं लोग. So this I have understood undergoing so many training, I've understood कि हमारा जो एक थॉट है ना, जो सेल्फ टॉक होता है, वो सेल्फ टॉक हमें बहुत ज्यादा इंस्टिंक्ट करता है कि हम कैसे एक्शन लेते हैं. तो अगर वो जो सेल्फ थॉट है ना, वो आप देखो, आप हमेशा पूरे दिन को अपने को स्कैन करोगे ना, तो यू आर टॉकिंग टू योरसेल्फ मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम. एक दिन में वी गेट अराउंड 60 to 90,000 थॉट्स कंटिन्यूअसली, और उसमें बहुत सारे पॉजिटिव्स भी होते हैं और बहुत सारे नेगेटिव्स भी होते हैं. तो अगर मैं कहता हूं कि मुझे एंक्लोज स्पेस एंट्री करनी है, एंड देन समथिंग आता है दिमाग में ना, बत्ती तो हमेशा जलती है कि अगर जाना है तो मुझे चेकलिस्ट फॉलो करना है, बिकॉज दिस तो सिस्टम हैज डन फॉर अस. कि ट्रेनिंग में जाते हैं तो हमें बताया जाता है कि ये सब सिस्टम करना है, बट वो कॉम्प्लेसेंसी आ जाती है बिकॉज ऑफ द पैटर्न ऑफ बिहेवियर विच वी बी डूइंग. हमने लास्ट टाइम जब एंट्री किया एंक्लोज स्पेस में, तो एक दो स्टेप्स को स्किप कर दिया, कि हमने रेस्क्यू अरेंजमेंट्स वहां पे प्रॉपर नहीं किए, और नथिंग हैपेंड. सो ही गॉट अ बिलीफ कि भैया कुछ नहीं होता है, ये नहीं भी रहेगा तो चलेगा. सो इट ऑल कम्स डाउन कि जो हमारा थॉट है, ये डिपेंड करता है कि कैसे हमारा बिलीफ सिस्टम है. थॉट्स आते हैं हमारे पास्ट एक्सपीरियंसेस से मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम. अपार्ट फ्रॉम इन द प्रेजेंट देखेगा तो हमारे जो 5 सेंसेस हैं, उससे तो हम अभी जो कम्युनिकेशन के लिए चाहिए वो तो आ ही रहे थॉट्स, प्लस मोस्टली जो हमारा है वो पास्ट एक्सपीरियंस जैसा है, उससे हमारे थॉट्स आते हैं. अब वो जो थॉट्स है, हमारे पास्ट एक्सपीरियंस अगर अच्छे हैं, यानी कि हमारी वैल्यूज अच्छी हैं, तो वो पॉजिटिव होने वाले हैं, तो फिर मैं सिस्टम फॉलो करूंगा ही, है ना. अगर नेगेटिव है, यानी कि अगर मुझे लगा कि मैंने लास्ट टाइम नहीं किया था तो इस बार भी नहीं करूंगा, तो कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ने वाला. इफ दैट कम्स इन माई हेड, तो इट्स तो हम वहां पे कोलैप्स हो जाता है सिस्टम. तो बिलीफ सिस्टम हमें इंस्टॉल करना है नए जनरेशन के लिए और सीमेंस के लिए, एज फार एज आई एम लुकिंग एट इट. कि अगर हम उन्हें ये बता सकें कि भाई दिस सिस्टम ऑफ योर्स, जो भी एक्शंस ले रहे हो, जो भी आप सोच रहे हो, इट इज कमिंग थ्रू अ बिलीफ सिस्टम. और वो बिलीफ सिस्टम को हमें रिप्रोग्राम करना है, उसको इस तरीके से बनाना है कि आप सही डिसीजन लो at any point of view. This is not only with the enclosed space entry, but with anything on board. तो क्या होगा, if I'm mentally strong, if I say mentally strong, तो मैं अपने आप को डील कर सकता हूँ ना, कोई भी सिचुएशन हो तो मुझे पता है कैसे हैंडल करना है उसको. Because then the belief system is very strong. I have reprogrammed my mind in such a way कि मैं सही चीजें कर रहा हूँ. और हमारा जो सिस्टम है ना पढ़ाने का जो है, इट इज देखना, तो अगर इट इज कमिंग, नो डाउट अबाउट इट, इट इज वेरी गुड इन अ वे कि जो कंटेंट है, बट इट्स अ पावर पॉइंट. क्लास में जाना है, बैठना है. तो जो बंदा जिसके ना, देयर आर एक्चुअली 3 मेथड्स बाय व्हिच वी लर्न. इट्स विजुअल, ऑडिटरी और काइनेस्थेटिक. तो अगर जो बंदा काइनेस्थेटिक है, जिसको थोड़े एक्शंस या थोड़ा जाके इधर उधर एक्टिविटी करके होना होता है, सीखता है, तो वो नहीं सीख पाता ना क्लासरूम में बैठ के. तो हम जो माइंड का ट्रेनिंग जो करते हैं, हमें और मैं, उसमें यही होता है कि ये बिलीफ सिस्टम कि हमारा कैसा है, उस पर हम काम करते हैं. चाहे वो सीमेन हो, चाहे नॉर्मल पब्लिक हो. तो बिलीफ सिस्टम अगर आपका स्ट्रांग हो जाता है, देन यू आर एक्चुअली गुड टू गो फॉर एनीवेयर.
Alright. Okay.
This works that way.
Alright. So, and how about the commercial pressure? So kabhi the commercial pressure comes on the top management, and then they don't act as a barrier, और वो फिर अपना crew और juniors पे डाल देते हैं. And because of the fear, that another question I think Yash will have at the end, when to call master, वो पूछा था मुझे. So how to train your mind and that nahi, if something is not wrong, this space needs more further ventilation, and we need to do proper checks before we re-enter again, and we will not succumb to the commercial pressure. तो इसके लिए क्या करना चाहिए, as a juniors or as somebody who's just got a ship after so many months or years, and then a senior is telling you to go down to the tank because there is a the vessel has to be ready. So उसके लिए कैसे we have to.
Okay, I understood the question. See, event तो होना ही है विजय, इवेंट तो हमारी लाइफ में होने ही है, बट द वे वी रेस्पॉन्स टू एन इवेंट गिव्स एन आउटकम. सो इवेंट, अगर मैं रेस्पॉन्स उस इवेंट पे, अगर मुझे मास्टर ने बोला जाने को और मैंने बिना कुछ सोचे समझे यू फॉलो द प्रोसीजर फॉलो करने के लिए तो मुझे नहीं लगता कोई भी आपको मना करने वाला है। मास्टर आपको बोलेगा कि जाओ, देन यू फॉलो योर प्रोसीजर, यू हैव सिस्टम, आप अपना ऑक्सीजन मीटर लो, आप अपना सारा जो चेक्स करो एंड देन यू गो, है ना?
I'll just give an example, Arun.
Yeah, doctor.
Let me just, Sam, see, from the C point of view, I understand. But I'm just telling you that this question is applicable in all fields of life. मतलब आपको कोई senior कोई बोलता है कुछ भी,
I
so
have a
now the
follow-up
question is,
question.
like Arun said, it's how you
अच्छा,
respond
okay,
to the
I can
situation.
hear
अभी now हम लोग एक normal
sorry.
गाड़ी चलाते हैं. How many times we don't text and drive? Or, don't drink and drive. मतलब I'm telling you on the land perspective. But that question, everywhere we have read. फिर भी हम लोग रोज सुनते हैं कि एक्सीडेंट्स होते हैं, रोज ट्रैफिक एक्सीडेंट होते हैं, लोग मर जाते हैं उसमें. This is very similar to that situation. What happens is when do you realize that you have to take your priority first, you have to understand what your response is first. That's where that is where the training is lacking, I think. Okay, you have to realize कि आपके decisions ही आपका outcome decide करने वाला. जैसे अरुण ने already बोल दिया कि आपके mindset से ये सब decide होता है. Now, when you are in a panic state, you're in, or you're in an anxiety state, तभी दिमाग ठीक से नहीं चलता है. किसी का भी नहीं चलता. Whenever you're angry, you're irritable. So what happens is that there is something called as a conscious mind and a subconscious mind. आपका कॉन्शियस माइंड काम करना बंद कर देता है लिटरली. वो एक्चुअली लॉजिक जो टाइम पे यूज करना चाहिए वो लिटरली बंद हो जाता है और आप भूल करते हो. यू मेक अ मिस्टेक. But that is the problem, that in such cases, these mistakes are fatal. Now, in an enclosed space like which we are discussing today, it is a major mistake. You know that ये problem आ सकता है. ऐसा नहीं कि you don't know. But if at that time you have not realized कि भाई मेरे ये action से ये मिस्टेक का आउटकम इतना खराब हो सकता है, बिकॉज यू आर इन सम अदर थॉट, भाई मेरे को कोई क्या हो जाएगा, मेरे को सीनियर क्या बोल देगा, मेरा बाद में नौकरी को क्या होगा. दीज आर 10,000 थॉट्स यू माइट बी गेटिंग. So you have stopped being in the conscious state of mind and gone in a pattern where your worries, your anxiety, your other thing, have started taking over. So I think that is very important to realize that you have to also be aware of that moment. You have to be mindful of that moment and decide what you need to do. What is more important, your safety or, just listening to orders blindly without even understanding what the situation is.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right. So there's another one, like one experience that I had on board. Like there was एक काम करना था. There was one work that was to be done, and we followed all the safety harness. जो भी that person was working oversight. I was there. I told him to wear all the safety gear, everything. Everything was in order, and I left the job, and I gave the third mate to do the supervision. So after 2 hours, when I went back to just see what is going on, how's the work status, I found that the crew member had removed all his safety gear and he was just casually sitting and working on it. Now, as a master, as a chief mate, I can, give him bamboo and I can tell him that, if you do this again, you will go home for sure. But what training they are supposed to, be carried out before they are joining or on board, that we can have some course or some training that we can do so that, they don't have this habitude that since nobody is watching, I can bypass safety and just do the way I want to do. So how do we change this attitude?
Yeah,
so I think that's what Arun and I work on. That's exactly what Arun and I work on. It's basically the mindset. That's exactly what Arun ने बोला. ये जो complacency आ जाता है कि भाई चलता है attitude, मतलब कुछ भी हुआ चलता है. I think that's what we work on and we make them realize कि भाई ये चलता नहीं है. ये आपकी लाइफ नहीं है, आपकी लाइफ के साथ आपकी पूरी फैमिली की लाइफ अटैच है, आपके allowed ones की भी लाइफ अटैच है. There's a lot of things. And when you start realizing every day of your life, the importance of every day of your life, these problems actually vanish. The whole process is to make a person realize his own self-worth. When you start doing that, you make that person understand कि भाई ये इतना मेरी लाइफ को ही डेंजर है और मेरी लाइफ से बाकी लोगों को इतना तकलीफ हो सकता है. You will start seeing the shift. That's the awareness in the mind. That's the pattern that वो जो अरुण बोल रहे थे, we break that pattern कि भाई चलता है, this life में ये चलता है attitude हर बार नहीं चलता है, वो कभी बहुत बर्बाद कर देता है. So that is the mentality. Yeah.
तो हमें to add on विजय, so जो मेरा जो mindful mariner वाला जो पेज है उसमें हम लोग यही करना चाह रहे हैं. जो मेरा फ्यूचर प्लान यही है कि we go through the program. अगर हम जो प्रोग्राम मैं और हमें डिजाइन कर रहे हैं एक्सक्लूसिवली फॉर सीफेयरर्स, जहाँ पे we make him realize the power within him, the mind power, कि आपको किसी से डरने की जरूरत नहीं, यू आर एक्चुअली वेरी पावरफुल, और आप अपने लाइफ को अपने टर्म्स पे जी सकते हो, और आपको सेफ्टी और ये सारे ना, देन तो इट बिकम्स लाइक कि वो बिना उसके कुछ करेगा ही नहीं। बिकॉज आदमी अगर सपोज मोटा है और उसको पतला होना है सपोज, है ना, तो वो बहुत एक्सरसाइज करने का कोशिश करता है, लेकिन कई बार गिव अप कर देता है। क्यों? क्योंकि उसे बिलीव ही नहीं होता कि वो पतला हो सकता है। सो व्हेन अगर उसके दिमाग में मैंने बैठा दिया कि भाई तू पतला हो सकता है एंड तुझे ये करना है, then if he start doing all these things, automatically result आ जाता है, not instant but yes of course. So similarly अगर हम उसके belief system पे काम करते हैं, सेलर्स के belief system पे काम करने लगेंगे कि भाई you go through this process and then after you know 1 week of training, हमारा एक्चुअली प्रोग्राम डिजाइन करेंगे कि 1 हफ्ते का हो, 1 घंटा या 2 घंटा, या फिर लाइव वर्कशॉप 2 दिन के होते हैं। तो उसमें यू गो थ्रू द प्रोसेस वेर इन यू बिलीव कि भाई एनीथिंग एंड एवरीथिंग इज पॉसिबल, और देन ही स्टार्टेड टू लव हिमसेल्फ, एंड व्हेन यू स्टार्ट लविंग योरसेल्फ, देन बाकी तो सारे मैटर ही सॉल्व हो जाते हैं। देन ही वोंट टेक
mindset
दैट
reprogramming. Ultimately, it's
reprogram जाता है।
mindset reprogramming.
करेक्ट।
Alright.
जो हम लोग
And
एक
how-
पैटर्न फॉलो करते हैं वो कैसे शिफ्ट हो जाता है, एंड देन वी सी चेंजेस। वी हैव सीन फॉर सो मेनी पीपल कि एक्चुअली वंस यू स्टार्ट रियलाइजिंग सी दी स्मॉल थिंग्स, वो एक्चुअली कितना बड़ा बन जाता है, एंड देन यू स्टार्ट अंडरस्टैंडिंग कि एवरी एक्शन यू आर ओनली रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द आउटकम। भाई बाहर जो भी चलता है कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता है, अल्टीमेटली इट्स योर एक्शन, योर रिस्पॉन्स जो सब डिटरमाइन करता है।
All right, and how do we change the mindset of our seafarers, wherein we have bombarded with so many STCW courses and so many courses every time, in-house courses. Some companies have courses to give them training to do their company courses. So, or a course to change this human attitude. Because I'll tell you, many companies, the substandard or the small companies, they are not into this mental health campaign or mental health awareness. They don't even conduct a psychometric test before joining. I mean, it was there when I joined MOL, but with V-Shapes, with MSI and the other companies, this test is not being conducted. So, they don't give seriousness to this psychometric, ability, psychological thing of that person. So
that's very, very important actually, because your psychometric evaluation determines, first of all, what is, your aptitude. It actually determines what is your aptitude. So, what would be your mental status, what would be appropriate job allocations for you, everything, a lot. I mean, psychometric test is a big field. I'm just giving you certain examples. So now if you don't consider this, you don't know whom you're hiring, and then if something goes wrong, whom are you going to blame? Question is, whom are you going to blame? Are you going to blame yourself? Is the company going to take responsibility? So there's a lot of factors which set in. So at certain level, that needs to be considered on the company level also, I guess.
And Vijay, to answer your question, see, there are STCW courses, no doubt, और बहुत सारे in-house courses हैं, ठीक है? तो मैं उसे करने में हिचक क्यों है मुझे? And why I'm getting so tired? Because somewhere I don't like it. और या तो मैं इसे इस तरीके से सोचता हूँ। सी इट अगेन कम डाउन टू वन पॉइंट कि जिस तरीके से मैं उसे सोचता हूँ, मैं सोचता हूँ कि यार ये बर्डन है, देन वो बर्डन लगेगा। बट इफ आई थिंक कि यार इट इज एडिंग वैल्यू टू माई नॉलेज, देन इट वोंट, मतलब मुझे बर्डन नहीं लगेगा। करेक्ट? एंड देन व्हेन जो सेल्फ टॉक है, दैट्स व्हाट आई एम सेइंग, कि वो जो सेल्फ टॉक है कि वो मैं किस तरीके से उसको, पर्सपेक्टिव अगर वो शिफ्ट हो जाता है टू अ गुड नाइस एंड पॉजिटिव साइड, तो मैं उसे पॉजिटिव वे में रहने लगता हूँ। और जब मैं माइंड की बात करता हूँ, एंड व्हेन इट कम्स कि इतने सारे कोर्सेज करने हैं, सो अगर मेरा सपोज मेरे कोई 24 घंटे में एक एनर्जी लेवल है और मुझे कोर्सेज करने से मेरी एनर्जी पूरी ड्रेन होती जा रही है, आई गेट टायर्ड, यार ये करना है, बिकॉज सी व्हाट आई हैव लर्न कि एनर्जी इज समथिंग कि अगर आपकी मेंटेन रह सकती है एक दिन में, देन यू आर मोर प्रोडक्टिव वॉट एवर यू डू। आप कोर्सेस करो, आप खेलो कूदो, जो भी करो, मगर अगर आपकी एनर्जी ड्रॉप हो रही है, देन यू विल नॉट बी फोकस्ड, और आपको सब कुछ बकवास लगेगा। सो वी एक्चुअली गिव सम टूल्स, टेक्निक्स, एंड जहां पे यू मेंटेन योर एनर्जी, बिकॉज आपका जो माइंड है, अगर आपका काम है, इट्स वेरी सिंपल नो, आप कहीं घूमने जा रहे हो पूरा दिन, तो आप उस जोन में रहते हो, आप कभी टायर्ड नहीं होते हो, राइट? लेकिन जब पढ़ने की
Yeah.
बात आती है तो टायर्डनेस हो जाती है, क्योंकि वी डोंट एंजॉय इट. सो वो स्टेट ऑफ माइंड है, इट इज जस्ट अ स्टेट ऑफ माइंड. व्हेन वी माइंड शिफ्ट हो जाता है, व्हेन वी गो टू एन अल्फा स्टेट ऑफ माइंड, और जहां पे वी आर मोर काम एंड रिलैक्स, एवरीथिंग वर्क्स आउट ब्यूटीफुली. आप देखोगे कि आपने ये कोर्सेज भी कर लिया, आपके पास इतना टाइम भी बचा है, एंड देन यू आर मोर प्रोडक्टिव थ्रू आउट द डे एंड यू स्लीप वेल. This is how it works. So courses and all will not be a problem.
All right, all right.
I hope
So
I answered your question.
now, so Abhi, now we'll just talk about the, most of the young new guys, decades, will be joining for the first time, or maybe, they already completed the first time. Many of them had the questions related, so I answered to them, from an operational point of view. Now I have you two guys to give a different opinion on that. First question would be what they should do or prepare themselves mentally when they're waiting for their first shift, and the waiting period is quite a long time, 6 months, 1 year, and many of them are not even sponsored, so and still struggling to find company. So any tips or any advice for these guys?
Amay, you want to add something or shall I give?
I think this is your. I think because you've experienced it probably.
Yeah.
I can
So,
tell you from a general perspective, but
yeah.
if you want to add, then I'll add to it.
See, now I understand totally कि अभी कुछ नहीं है. I mean, there's no job. अभी हम घर पे बैठे हुए हैं. So again, it comes down to one thing कि am I productive, या फिर मेरे पास ये टाइम है उसको मैं कैसे यूज कर सकता हूँ. Event has happened. Nobody expected coronavirus and COVID situation throughout 2020. किसी को नहीं मालूम था, right? It's an event. I have no control over the event, but the way I respond to that event will give me the result. Either I choose to time pass, or I just don't give damn about my self development, no personal development. Then outcome क्या होगा? You'll be a fat guy sitting without any knowledge, or you choose to learn more about your shipping industry, अपना knowledge upgrade किया, and outcome क्या होगा? You'll be a more knowledgeable person, और आपका system में आपका value add हो गया. Then when you go on board, you'll be more confident, and you're ready to work. So it's again your choice. What are you doing? ठीक है?
It's
Money
exactly like
aspect.
that.
Yeah, money aspect, I know it's a huge matter कि घर में कुछ source of income नहीं है, but that is something which is you have your parents, you ask for help, there are people help, अपनी family है there, or COVID situation में there are many others you're helping. So that way I think the way you respond to an event gives you an outcome. That's a basic and the foremost principle of success in life, is to respond correctly to the situation. If I छोड़ छाड़ के सब बैठ गया, then जो भी पढ़ा है वो भी भूल जाने वाला हूँ मैं. So that's how they can add value to your knowledge. कुछ भी सीखो, add new skills, yeah, add new skills.
Time नहीं आता है वापस. So exactly, because I'm telling you about mine. I'm giving you my example.
Sorry,
now,
sir, I can't see.
I'm a dentist, so
Captain
imagine now
Parekh,
we
I can see
directly
the
working in the
Captain
mouth.
and,
So because of COVID, my clinic was shut.
the other
Actually,
Captain
last year
Vijay.
मेरा एकदम
So
clinic practice
actually I
बंद
was
था. But
unable
what
to
I
hear
did,
him.
I utilized this
thought I
entire,
was like,
and
still I can't hear him.
I
Sorry, sir,
trained in this mind
but,
power with Arun.
maybe that
I try to utilize my time maximum for developing the thinking pilot academy, which I'm talking through. So it's basically you have to realize that if you have this waiting time, what else can you do? Or what is the maximum way that you can utilize this time to further develop yourself in that particular time? It may, if you're working with like Arun said, for the shipping industry, you can probably try to figure out what other options are there in that particular.
I think I just Yash,
यश किससे बात कर रहा है?
yeah, doctor was saying something.
So that's what I'm saying. I can't actually hear Captain Parekh, Dr. Parekh. I can't hear. I can hear just the two of you.
Oh, okay.
Maybe
Because he has a
they're
private
not
account.
friends. They are actually not following each other. That could be the reason.
Yes, that was the
Okay, so
reason
maybe
I
there's
was going
another
in
video
and out and checking what
Yeah.
happened.
Okay.
Sorry for
I'm
that.
not getting
Sorry for
Yash's
interrupting.
video.
Alright, so
I was
Yash,
clueless when you were both, silent. I was like, what's happening? Sorry, sir. Sorry for the interruption.
No, it's okay. Now, okay, yes, you go ahead and take charge and start your generic questions because the questions that he
I
has.
still can't see Dr. Parekh.
It's
It's
okay. It's okay.
weird actually.
I'll relay it. It's okay. Abhi, as of now, we just have few time left. So you ask me. I'll just relay or else I'll type whatever. Bolo.
Okay, sir. So my question was that being a junior officer or a cadet, we always have bosses above us. So
Yeah.
what they say to be done, like if a job is given, it is to be done, and that's a priority. But if I feel like I don't have a feeling that what I'm doing is right, or I'm kind of ill-confident about it, if I refuse the job, obviously the senior would be like, "अरे यार, ये सही नहीं है." He won't be, ये तो ignorant है. Like he doesn't have the guts to do the job. So how to be prepared for such situations? How to deal with it?
Arun.
Okay, yes. See, the question हमें is कि junior officers उसके ऊपर इतने hierarchy है कि they actually are afraid of asking question if in doubt. Correct? Yes, is that the question?
Not only questions, but if a task is to be performed, but the safety is compromised and risk of life is there
All right.
at that situation as well.
Okay. If the seniors are, compelling you to do, bypass the safety, is that the question? Okay. So, see, Yash, आज का, if you talk of today's time, I don't think, the master and chief officer, compelled to do because, they know कि भाई उनका नौकरी भी खतरे में है, by saying so. And they genuinely want people to follow the safety procedure. But in case they say, and you just simply say politely कि sir मेरे से नहीं होगा. I mean, this is something which I cannot do you. I am sorry. See, if chief officer is compelling you, you have always master. So master is an authority. He is an overall in charge. ठीक है, वो deck engine he is not bothered. He is an ultimate authority. आप जाके बोलो. And if master himself is saying, then you go to chief officer. I mean, there are people, right? अगर दोनों ही ऐसा तुमको बोलेंगे कि जब पानी में कूद जाओ, then there is no solution and तुमको कूदना भी नहीं है, इधर कोई नहीं बोल रहा है, ऐसा कोई बोलेगा भी नहीं. ठीक है, that's what I meant to say. You have people, you talk to them. अगर you are afraid of asking captain, go to chief officer, second officer, third officer. There are people, no, कुछ तो होएगा. But never ever, argument नहीं करना है कि सर मैं नहीं करेगा. You do by, they politely बोलो कि सर this is not correct and I cannot do it. ठीक है. और I don't think कि आजकल कोई भी इतना बड़ा compel करता है कि तुमको करना ही करना है because everyone has that pressure. वो commercial pressure सबके ऊपर है, but at the end the life is at priority all the time.
Yes.
Someone's asking. I hope I answered Yash your question.
Yeah. I'll let Yash pick up because if we keep answering all those questions in the group, so it will take a lot of time. Yash.
Just let me know where to ask. Only that time I'll speak. Because
Yash, go ahead.
I'm sorry for it.
Yes,
Okay,
go
sir.
ahead.
Okay. Sir, my next question would be, sir, I asked this to Captain Vijay as well. So my same question would be with both of you because you have a different perspective. So how to deal with politics on board? If you are, sidelined and there are conspiracies against you, you hear about you, and it is actually quite depressing, and you can be going under a trauma. So that's a big deal because there is no one to kind of support you. So what to do in such situations? No girlfriend, no family members, no good friends, best friends, no one. What to do?
हमें ये क्वेश्चन समझ में आया नहीं.
There is no video, so I don't know.
Okay. So the question यश का ये है कि एक जूनियर ऑफिसर या जूनियर जो कैडेट है उसके अगेंस्ट कॉन्स्पिरेसी हो रही है, उसको पॉलिटिक्स हो रहा है, उसको परेशान किया जा रहा है. देन हाउ टू डील विद दिस? सो यू आर साइकोलॉजिस्ट, तो तू बता सकता है थोड़ा बहुत.
Can you repeat the question?
हाँ?
What is the question?
See,
Junior
question-
cadet is something who is conspiring.
People are conspiring and how to handle the politics on board. and it is very much common in this shipping industry.
Okay, so it's not just shipping industry. It's common everywhere. The junior is always harassed. So it's basic, no? Because the moment you have power, you want to exert authority. मतलब that is it is human tendency. थोड़ा अपने ego inflate हो ही जाता है. कोई भी हो. The moment you start getting authority, you start putting the other person down. Now, like Arun said, it's the question of how are you going to respond to it. अभी a very automatic response is कि you start blaming yourself on यार भाई मेरे से ही मैं ही कुछ गलत होगा, मैं ही डिप्रेशन में जाऊँ, मैं ही self, you start giving the self guilt problem because you can't do anything. You feel powerless. The moment you feel powerless, you start behaving. In fact, it becomes a cycle. एक cycle चल रहा है. आप और भी गिरते जाते हो. That the point is that you have to put a stop to it. There is no other option. You have to put a stop to it. आपको decide करना है कि भाई मैं इतना सहन कर सकता हूँ, मेरी लाइफ ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. You politely, like Arun said, you have to tell कि भाई मेरे से नहीं होगा. And you have to have some coping tools. You need coping tools. So this is what we teach you in Mind Park. कि आपको कैसे जब स्ट्रेस आता है, इवेंट आता है, तो आपको कैसे आउटकम करके अपने आप को स्टेबल करना है. क्योंकि सबका खराब दिन आते हैं, सबके अच्छे दिन. इट्स ऑलवेज फ्लक्चुएटिंग, अप एंड डाउन सबका ही होता है. The moment he is going to cross over, there is an option that he will have. Either he will be a better person to his juniors. मतलब वो अपने juniors का और ध्यान रखेगा, या फिर वो भी वैसा ही हो जाएगा. So that's where the power of choice lies. कि आप अगर आपके साथ ये हुआ है, तो आप किसे दूसरी लाइफ improve कर सकते हो. And trust me, people who actually go through these experiences and start helping others, they actually, you will see them to be far more successful. This is a part of life in anybody's story. Whoever has gone through these hardships, and has come out of these hardships with their own mental strength, they will always be far more successful and helping to other people. So it's basically, you can't remove the politics. And it's a very frank thing. You can't remove the politics. In any field, you can't remove the politics. It's basically how much can you take it, how much are you going to overcome it, and what is your approach to it. That is going to make the difference. So it's if you are able to take it in a positive way, कि भाई हो जाएगा, निकल जाएगा, then you're definitely going to be in a better situation.
All right. Well said. Yash, next question.
Yes, sir. I was totally unaware of what was happening. Sorry again. I will follow Doctor as soon as possible. Sir, the next question would be, so we are attached to our friends, we are attached to our girlfriends, some of us are having girlfriends, and yes, like parents, some are like mama's boy and all. So sir, the first time joiners, they are having some issues. So can you discuss on it, on like how to deal with them, how to deal with those emotions actually?
Okay, I understand your question कि अगर मैं घर से पहली बार दूर जा रहा हूँ, then the emotions are very low, family, home sickness और नए एटमॉस्फेयर में जा रहा हूँ तो कैसे डालूं. So यश, इसमें ऐसा है कि अभी तक तो तुम लोग घर पे बैठे हो and now you are getting a chance to go on board, finally start your career, then why are you afraid of actually start? अभी मुझे छोड़ना है, घर पे बैठ के मुझे छोड़ना ही है. अगर मैं ये सोच रहा हूँ, देन अगेन अगर मैं यही सोच रहा हूँ कि मुझे घर नहीं छोड़ना यार, मेरी मॉम, मेरे डैड, मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड यहाँ पर है, तो मैं अगर ये सोचता रहूंगा तो मेरा जो आउटकम आएगा कि यार शिट, मैं किधर जा रहा हूँ. बट अगर मेरे सोच में से ये आ गया कि यार आई एम गोइंग फर्स्ट टाइम, मेरे को पैसे मिलने वाले हैं, आई बी एक्सप्लोरिंग वर्ल्ड, आई बी लर्निंग लॉट मेनी थिंग्स, एक नया करियर मेरा स्टार्ट होने जा रहा है, अगर मैं ये सोचता हूँ तो मेरी एनर्जी हाई हो जाती है. करेक्ट. अगर मैं पॉजिटिव एस्पेक्ट देखता हूँ, सी लाइफ इज ऑल अबाउट चॉइसेस, व्हाट यू चूज इन दैट मोमेंट. कि मैं अगर उसको चूज करता हूँ, सोचना कि भाई मैं पॉजिटिव साइड ऑफ इट, देन मेरा एनर्जी हाई रहेगा एंड आई बी मोर एंथुसियास्ट, आई बी एडल्ट लर्नर कि मैं ये सीख रहा हूँ, आई एम डूइंग दिस दैट. अगर मैं सिर्फ होम सिकनेस और अपने इन सब चीजों में रहूंगा, ऑफ कोर्स दे आर इम्पोर्टेंट पीपल एंड उनको प्रायोरिटी देना ही है. सो डू डील विथ कि भाई थोड़ा सा टाइम दो एंड देन यू मूव ऑन. अगर मैं इमोशन को पकड़ के रखूंगा तो क्या होगा कि आई विल बी इन अ कंटिन्यूअस लो स्टेट. तो मेरे अंदर वो कैपेसिटी होनी चाहिए कि मैं वो इमोशन है, आई फेल्ट दैट इमोशन, साइड में रखा एंड आई मूव ऑन. अगर मैं पकड़ के रखता हूँ ना कोई भी इमोशन को, चाहे वो फियर का हो, चाहे एंग्जाइटी का हो, चाहे वो स्ट्रेस का हो, दैट्स व्हेन द प्रॉब्लम स्टार्ट्स कमिंग इन, कि भैया मैंने इसको पकड़ के रखा है। अगर मुझे किसी के खिलाफ, जैसे सपोज एंगर ही है, तो एंगर मैंने अगर पकड़ के रखा है, तो एम आई गोइंग टू हेल्प माई सेल्फ? आई कैनॉट थिंक इवन स्ट्रेट ना। और हमें लगता है कि हम अपने सोच को कंट्रोल नहीं कर सकते। दैट्स द मिथ। वी हैव अ चॉइस, हम कैसा सोचते हैं ये सब हमारे ऊपर आता है ना। तो मैं चूज करूंगा ना मुझे क्या क्या सोचना है। वो व्हाई नॉट एम्पावरिंग बिलीव, या ऐसी चीजें जो मुझे पुश करें और आगे बढ़ने में। व्हाई आई एम गोइंग बैक, कि मुझे मेरे साथ आई एम लीविंग बिहाइंड एवरीवन। तो दैट इज अगेन हाउ यू थिंक, द थॉट हैज टू बी। तो वही बिलीफ
You
सिस्टम, यू हैव टू डेवलप अ बिलीफ सिस्टम। और देयर आर मेनी
I
टूल।
think
या मैं
Yeah, I think actually, the thing is basically it's a fear that everybody has for any job, कि भाई कुछ नया चालू करने के लिए हम लोग को काफी अनकंफर्टेबल होना पड़ता है, बिकॉज एक
करेक्ट।
फियर रहता है। आप एक कंफर्ट जोन से निकल के अचानक से ऐसी जोन में आना कि सब रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज अचानक से आप पे आ गई, आपके सिचुएशन हैंडल, there's nothing in your hand, there's so many things which are out of your hand, तो आपको एक फियर बैठ जाता है, and you will experience emotions which you are not able to handle because you have not experienced them before. So that is the question, when you learn how to handle those emotions better, it's going to make your response better. And now, so in fact, there is possibility of communication. Matlab in our technological era, there is communication is possible. Imagine probably 20 years back, क्या situation रहेगा, I don't even know. It might have been so difficult for them.
Correct.
I still remember in my childhood just making an ISD call was कितना बड़ा job लगता था.
I know.
अभी क्या फोन उठाओ, इधर से अमेरिका बात कर लो. So that life has in fact become, the world is
Better.
coming closer because of technology. So
Yeah.
we have to start focusing on that advantages also. So you
See,
need to understand that.
nicely explained मैं ये when you talked about uncomfortable, तो एक एक्टिविटी मेरे को याद आ गया जो मैंने हम लोग ने सीखा था। वो अगर पब्लिक वहां पे है एंड दे कैन हियर मी ना, एक एक्सरसाइज हम लोग कर सकते हैं जस्ट कि नो कि हाउ अनकंफर्टेबल जो होना होता है वो कितना मुश्किल है, कितना आसान है। सो विजय, यू कैन ऑल्सो डू विथ मी। ये जो फिंगर्स है ना ऐसे, यू कैन सी, उसको साथ में लेकर आना और देखना, मतलब लाइक दिस।
Okay.
समझा? ओके, नाउ जस्ट फिगर आउट कि तेरा कौन सा हाथ का जो थंब है ना वो ऊपर है। जस्ट सी नेचुरली योर्स इज लेफ्ट।
Just
am I
follow
yours?
My right thumb.
Okay, mine is also right. Yash, what's yours? कौन सा थंब ऊपर आ रहा है when you do like this?
On top.
Left.
हाँ,
Yeah, just take your hands away and
Left.
just close them together fast. Like without thinking, just close them.
without thinking just close it, whatever comes.
ऐसे just bring your hands together and tie them. तो आपका एक थंब कोई ऊपर आएगा ही आएगा हर बार.
कौन सा थंब आ रहा है यश का?
Right.
राइट। सो नाउ आई जस्ट वांट यू कि अब आप उसको अपने तरफ से लेफ्ट थंब को ऊपर लाने की कोशिश करो। अभी तक तो अपने आप कर रहे थे तो राइट आ रहा था, बट यू ट्राई टू ब्रिंग लेफ्ट थंब अप एंड सी हाउ अनकंफर्टेबल इट इज फॉर यू
Correct.
initially. Correct? So, but when you keep on doing it, when you keep on doing this, you become comfortable, right? So anything,
Yes, sir.
any change initially is uncomfortable, but when you keep on doing it, it becomes comfortable, right?
Nicely said.
Wow, sir.
So,
Nicely said.
so that's what we do in our mind power training. Ki bhai, when you go through, there is just one simple example. And mind power training में हम और भी बहुत सारी चीजें हैं. We talk about how to overcome fear, stress, anxiety, roadblocks, and then all those things. So yes, I'll soon be, Yash, if you can tell your followers and tell your friends to follow us for future, because I'll be doing many videos just, for the awareness point of view. So if they can come, they can learn a lot of things to deal with the stress, anxiety, and other parts of it, how to in fact grow success. I mean, it's all about that, the mindset part.
Sir,
It's all about
actually,
the mindset. Ultimately, bottom line
have
यही
been
आ जाता है
talking
कि
to
आपकी
lots
पूरी
of
लाइफ
them.
एक्चुअली यहाँ पे चले.
Most of them are, in every stage of their life, they are missing the motivation actually. So I get comments like, okay, you are optimistic and all, but यार हम सब थोड़ी ना तेरी तरह and all. I get comments like कि यार ये तो टफ होगा और टफ होगा, बहुत कंपटीशन है, मैं नहीं घुस पाऊंगा, तो अच्छा कॉलेज में आ गए यार, पढ़ाई है पढ़ाई है पढ़ाई है, पढ़ाई हो गई, अब शिप नहीं है, क्या करे, वी आर स्टक, वी डोंट हैव एनीथिंग टू डू। तो सर ये एक पता नहीं दिमाग के अंदर एक ना नेगेटिव और एक जो
करेक्ट।
पेसिमिस्टिक
तो मोस्ट ऑफ द
बिहेवियर
टाइम
है वो
तुम
सबके
देखोगे वो
अंदर है।
नेगेटिविटी ही आती है। सो इट्स अ कांस्टेंट एफर्ट कि मैं पॉजिटिव चीज कैसे डालूं। समझा, अगर मैं इट इज बाय डिफॉल्ट यार, आई मीन द ह्यूमन ब्रेन एंड माइंड इज सच कि अगर इनफैक्ट स्कूल सिस्टम में देखो ना, टीचर्स भी आपको वही बताते हैं आपने क्या गलत किया है, राइट के लिए नहीं है, मतलब गलत क्या किया। तो अपने तो माइंड प्रोग्राम इसी तरीके से हो गया बचपन से कि व्हाट इज रॉन्ग है, ऑलवेज फोकस ऑन नेगेटिव थिंग। तो नेगेटिव में ही हमारा फोकस रहता है। बट व्हेन वी शिफ्ट नेगेटिव से पॉजिटिव साइड में देखने लग जाते हैं ना, एंड यू कांस्टेंट एफर्ट टू थिंक पॉजिटिव बिकॉज यू हैव द चॉइस। तुम्हारे एक देयर इज अ ब्यूटीफुल बुक, आई डोंट रिमेम्बर, बट उसमें डॉक्टर फ्रैंकल करके है, आई इफ यू रिमेम्बर द बुक, जहां पे हिटलर
Man
के
search for meaning.
या मैन सर्च फॉर मीनिंग। तो उसमें ना इफ यू सी कि हिटलर का जो कॉन्सेंट्रेशन कैंप था उसमें एक बंदा था विक्टर फ्रैंकल, उसको वहां पे इतना सारा टॉर्चर हुआ, बट ही सेड एट द एंड ही केम आउट, उसकी फैमिली पूरी कंसंट्रेशन कैंप में खत्म हो गई थी, बट ही केम आउट एंड सेड कि यू कैन टेक अवे एवरीथिंग फ्रॉम अ मैन एक्सेप्ट व्हाट ही इज थिंकिंग। वो क्या सोच रहा है वो आप कभी
Thought
नहीं सोच
process.
रहे। इनफैक्ट जब मैं ये बोल भी रहा हूँ ना, तो काफी लोग क्या उनके मन में चल रहा होगा, आई डोंट नो, दे देमसेल्फ नो क्या चल रहा है। करेक्ट। सो वो चीज पे हमें बहुत फोकस करना है, थॉट्स।
Thoughts.
Yeah,
Mind is a continuous flow of thought. Yes.
correct. So you have to program and only think what you want, not what you don't want. बस उतना ही फोकस कर।
Yes, sir. So, but maintaining and trying to influence others and trying to help them out. We also get into a negative vibe कि यार
Yeah.
हर जगह यही बुराई है, and we are hearing like I'll give you an example. Currently, I can talk about a company, right? Fleet management is having lots and lots of meetings. Like my super seniors are not on board yet. So I got into this company with a positive note. I was like, yes, I've got sponsored and all. But the students are like pulling me like कि अरे यार तू ऐसे कंपनी में यहाँ क्यों गया, वेटिंग है, ये है वो है। And like the plus points भी तो है, waiting is a part of our life. I know that. But this like I have seen a guy who left the company, who left this field just because people were saying the company is bad, and your life is not such a big company. Other than that, they have sponsored them, which is kind of like free of cost these days. Previously, it was not like that. So I try to convince them to be there, but still things are like this are happening because some people in the negative power always influences better than a positive one.
Yeah.
So like how to deal with toxic people? To be very very short and simple. How
So
to deal
send
with toxic
them to our mind power workshop. We'll train them.
Sir, definitely, I'd like to
Yeah.
work a lot with you. I'll talk to you after this live also, and doctor as well. Like I can't see him still. So I have lots of questions, lots and lots, but I'm
Yeah,
into an awkward situation.
time-
Won't be able to
Sorry for
cover
that.
that. Yeah, it's already 45
Yeah.
minutes.
ठीक है, we'll be conducting, I mean, Yash, if you want, we can come often just to discuss the mind power aspect of our career. ठीक है, I mean, I cannot say कि I'll be covering like Vijay is covering all the content wise, वो the actual genuine problem that is there, but I'll deal with the mindset part of it. I and Amay
Okay.
are designing a specifically a course specially for seafarers कि भाई ये एक टूल किट जैसा बनाने का हम सोच रहे हैं। भाई कैरी विथ योरसेल्फ, it will have the tools, techniques, strategy to deal with any negative vibration, negative people, negative
Okay.
thought, negative emotion, roadblocks, whatever. So ऐसा हम लोग अभी I mean we are working on it and hopefully जल्दी ही कुछ डिजाइन करके will come.
And if you can hear me,
So Okay.
Arun, सुनाई दे रहा है?
Yes, sir. Carry on.
Yeah, I'm
हाँ
saying,
या
Yeah, yeah.
trust me,
Yes, sir.
I've been like, I've joined this almost 15 years back. So what Arun is doing along with doctor, it is very necessary. Abhi right now, you see, there was not much of a discussion about mental health and awareness. Abhi since COVID aa gaya and people are stuck on board for months, 8 months, 9 months, 10 months. Then the human psychology, people have started misbehaving on board and committing suicide because sign off नहीं हो रहा है. So now companies
I
are
understand.
stressing into this mental health. So ये slowly एक बहुत बड़ा topic होने वाला है and very soon the psychometric test and all that will be a mandatory for every person to join the ship, and regular mental health campaigns and trainings will be conducted by the companies. The in-house companies, I mean the course companies will be ensuring that the candidate does these in-house courses which Arun and the doctor will be conducting.
Yeah,
Okay.
thanks for that. I mean,
Thank you for
Yes,
that,
ma'am.
Captain. Thank
yeah.
you so much.
So then, yes, do you have any other questions? Or we can continue with
No
next time.
questions. Like, yes, sir.
I think
Definitely,
we've taken away your
sir.
time.
I'd like to, have more such sessions. But actually, sir, let me tell you one thing. Like, whenever I was free, and I always I missed 8 months of my after my 12th because of lack of this knowledge, and also I started this initiative that I'll try to help most of them. I ran now locally. I had a group. I was there. I helped most of them. And just before leaving the college, I thought that why not go live and widespread करके इसको. So that's why I got like outreach बहुत अच्छी हो गई, and then captains are coming to my life. This is big for me. So sir, definitely like 150 or more of them are who I used to talk to are currently in college. And just like me, they'll be having this waiting time. I switched to doing this live sessions and working with them, so my time will be gone. So, but yes, like they have to be mentally prepared, and yes, I'd like to work more with you. So we'll discuss on it for sure.
Sure.
And one more thing, just
That's all I wanted to
one more
say.
thing, just
Yeah.
last, be happy. Arun is gonna teach you how to be
Okay.
happy, change your mindset. You have got a company and you're sponsored. All right. There are many, I trust me, I have so many, literally 20, 30 messages asking me for job, asking me for placements. That at least you have a company, and doesn't matter, people are saying negative or not. We know the in and out of all the companies, but it doesn't matter. You have a job, and for sure you will be
Arey,
joining a.
please, I'll be there in 5 minutes.
So if I don't, I'm saying for sure you will be joining a vessel wherein all those friends who are, criticizing or talking negative, they will be struggling to find, vessel for another 1 or 2 years, depends. So, do not get into this mindset.
Yeah. Vijay, I mean, if just to end, अगर हम लोग end कर रहे हैं ना, let him come, let Yash come. So I'm just going to talk about how we can change that vibration, negative vibration. So a small tip like gratitude. So Yash, I was talking about just to end
Sir, I was hearing.
with a small tip that whenever there's negative vibration comes in your life, I mean it could be a person, emotion, then only you have to think how grateful you are for now. And just to practice this, आप एक काम कर सकते हो, you can tell everybody around you कि whenever you gets up in the morning, the first thing you do, जब भी आप पाँव रखते हो ना बेड से, that's a tiny behavioral change, that leads to a massive success to most of the people. When you get up from the bed, जैसे आप पाँव रखते हो जमीन पे, you just say thank you God for this life, and it will be an awesome day. आप ये 3 सेकंड का ही है, ठीक है, just 3 seconds, it takes 3 seconds. But when you practice this for over and over and over, आप करते रहो यार, 3 seconds, it's not a big deal, right? And आप देखोगे कि आप you will do magic. I'm just telling you because there's so much about the attitude of gratitude. आप देखोगे तो कितना सारा किताब लिखा गया है उसके ऊपर, और ये 3 सेकंड का जो काम है आप डेली करो, आप देखो you will be in positive mode all the time. So that's end from my side. Amma, you want to add something or something?
Yeah, I think it's all about how we approach life. I think that's what we've been talking about. It's how we approach life, and if you're grateful every day, you'll see life changes completely.
Yeah.
True.
Okay.
So then, guys, let's call it off. Thank you, guys. Thank you, everybody. Yeah,
Thank you,
Yeah.
Captain Vijay, for having us.
Some people are saying, please repeat the procedure. What is to be
Okay.
done for having
So
full
repeat. Okay. So when you gets up in the morning, आप जब उठते हो तो पहला काम ये करो कि आप जैसे ही अपना बेड से पाँव उठा के जमीन पे रखते हो, बैठते हो, यानी कि लेट से जब बैठना चाहते हो ना, तो आप थैंक यू गॉड for the life which I have, because most of us have, मतलब देखोगे यार, there's so much of scarcity कि इन लोगों के पास खाना नहीं है, पीना नहीं है, घर नहीं, बट आपके पास सब कुछ है और आपको ग्रेटफुल होना पड़ेगा पहले. if you want to add something, पहले आपके पास जो है उसके लिए तो शुक्रिया करते रहो. So just thank God for this beautiful life, and this day will be a great day. ये आपको स्टार्ट करना है. This day will be great day. On this positive note, you start every day, every single day,
Every day.
for the lifetime. Yeah, it will change your vibration. Okay.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Chalo.
Chalo
Then
guys,
okay, Abhishek. Yeah, let's
Okay.
wind up.
chalo, yeah.
Thank you,
Wind up,
everyone.
Thank you,
Thank
thank
you,
you,
guys. Thank you for
Captain.
your
So
time.
before winding up, once again,
Thank you, everybody.
I was
Sure.
unable to hear Dr. Parekh, so I didn't knew at any point when he was speaking and when he was not. I was getting lots of comments that why are you interrupting and why are you breaking the flow. Sorry, and I'm kind of embarrassed. That's why I'm kind of
You
angry
can
right
follow
now.
him now. Yeah.
But we will make sure that this one, we'll come up with a better one. I guess.
Sure.
It was great talking to you, sir. Yes, sir.
Bye.
I'm
Take care,
sure
bye, good
people
night.
must have learned for something. Okay.
All right. Chalo, guys. Bye.